Lesson 4. To be negative. Alrighty, now we go to the next part, which is negations. Okay, so here we go with basically the same content, but we are going to add very, very important part, which is not. Okay, just skip through the through all the options. Not. Okay, it must be in every sentence. Okay, so let's read, because here we go with different shortened versions. Okay, I am not, I'm not. You are not, you aren't. Of course, you can say you're not, but it's much more natural in English to say you aren't. Okay? He is not, he isn't. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. And in the plurals, we are not, we aren't. You are not, you aren't. They are not, they aren't. Okay, I hope it's nice and clear. Let's go with the sentences. I am not happy, or I'm not happy. You are not hungry. You aren't hungry. He is not okay. He isn't okay. She is not angry. She isn't angry. It is not tired. It isn't tired. We are not great. We aren't great. You are not sad. You aren't sad. They are not very good. They aren't very good. Okay? One more time. Please remember to repeat everything that is on this page.